Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm trying to make some new changes. I'm trying to upgrade my channel, make it better off for you guys. Hope everyone is staying safe physically, mentally. There's a lot going on in the world right now, but hopefully this video will bring you some joy so I can tell you how my hair has just been flourishing. So this video today, the purpose of this is to let you know what my new wash routine is. So I tend to use 3 different things. One, I try to use a cleansing shampoo. I used to use Suave, but that was it clarified too much. It would strip my locks would feel so dry. It was just a lot to deal with. So I'm using something else now. Then I tend to use a detoxing shampoo, something that could detox my locks, help my scalp with all the nutrients in it. And I also use a conditioner. So here's the first one. Devaney from Let's Journey suggested this one, so hopefully this one will work. It's from Herbal Essence, their shampoo. So here's a little thing of that, if it could focus. There we go. So I'm gonna use that today, so we will see how that goes. Now this is from Basic Carbon Tea Tree Shampoo. I was introduced this to my loctician when I lived in Florida, and I've been using it ever since. So I've been using this as the second shampoo for about 4 years going on now. It has activated charcoal in it, lemongrass, tea tree, peppermint, and pink grapefruit. What I like about this is when you put it in your scalp and you foam it up and you're massaging your scalp, it begins to tingle. So this has helped a lot with my dandruff, because before I used to have really bad, not necessarily bad dandruff, but my scalp would be itching and all that. Along with me changing my diet and all that, with this, it really worked. So here's this. Hopefully you can see it. Okay. Lastly, we have this. I used to use, they had a carbon tea tree conditioner. They don't make it anymore, so I switched to their moisturizing conditioner. This works really good. It smells amazing. I only put a little bit on my fingertips and I put it in my scalp. So I tried not to put it on my locks. Well, I don't put it on my locks because it's very hard to get it out. So I'm almost done with this. Here we go. So that's what that looks like. Soon I'm gonna try something else, because this, I'm almost out of this. I'm trying to switch to more budget friendly products, because this one is about, I think it's $25. I forgot how much this one is. I'll link it below so you guys can know. So I don't know, just feel like I could find something, because I have to order those from professionals and I have to wait for it to get here. I just rather have something I can just get from the store. So there are 2 essential items that I also use to assist with me whenever I wash my hair. Number 1, I use a t-shirt. It's a good old t-shirt that I know that lint is not going to be in my hair. So when I'm done washing my hair, of course my hair holds a lot of water, so it's soaking wet, so I wrap it in a t-shirt just to get all that excess water out. And usually when I'm done, the t-shirt is soaked. So after that, before I braid my hair, I use this good old, is this a Turbie twist? This good old Turbie twist. This has been in my life. Almost 4 years since I've had locks. So this is very beneficial. So this will just, once again, get the moisture out of your hair, and you do not have to worry about lint rolls or anything, because I have a hair appointment tomorrow. You know, it's been 7 weeks since I've had my locks done, and I do not feel like hearing her mouth. My hair is still damp, and I do not want to go to sleep with a damp hair. If you didn't know, if you hadn't had that experience, you know, your hair could smell a little sourish, or you just don't want to get sick, especially in this climate. So yeah, next time I'll see you, we'll be at the sink where I wash my hair, and I'm just going to give you a little 360 of what's been going on before we do that. So I don't know if you could tell, but there's a little bit of redness in my hair now. I put some temporary dye in there, and it has lasted, I think this will be like the 4th wash, so it's been lasting. I think I have some light, that's embarrassing. But yeah, oh yeah, with this lighting, so my hair has really came a long way. I guess I'll turn around real quick. So yeah, just give you a texture thing. And this is like a braid out from, maybe this lasted 2 weeks. So yeah, my locks have finally matured. They haven't really dropped yet. As you can see, I could stretch it and it comes down to here. So unfortunately, shrinkage does not go away for everybody. But hey, maybe one day they'll drop. But I'll see y'all later. Bye. So I am finally done with washing my hair. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Any questions, comments, concerns, or video ideas, just drop them down below. Comment, like, please subscribe, or shout your girl out so I get my subscribers up. I'm excited that you guys are watching. I'm blessed. Just thank you. But before I go, just want to show you a couple things. So this is the t-shirt that I had on my hair. As you can see how soaked it is, and this is why I suggest right when you get out, you know, you wring your hair out, you put a t-shirt on so you can really soak it so it wouldn't take, this cuts the drying time out a lot. Yeah, and also especially black women, black men, and just please be careful out there, you guys. The world is a crazy place. I don't know why they hate us so much. Once again, with this COVID mess, please be safe, wear your mask, social distance if you can, have your hand sanitizer on deck, wash your hands, you know, just that right there will cut it down. Once again, please be blessed. I'm gonna bless you with some close-up of my hair, so hopefully this will brighten up your day. Whew. So yeah, let's get, my color is still good. Look at that. If you want to know more about how I colored my hair with this temporary color, please let me know. Ooh. Do a part. So yes, is my hair wet? I'm about to braid this up because my appointment is tomorrow at 10 a.m. I think. Do like maybe 20 braids or something. It's a back thing. Oh, this stupid lighting. There we go. You can see it. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye, you guys.